Welcome to Cambodia, my second home. Thank you so much. Wow. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग दिन है यहाँ कैम्बोडिया में, पनोम पेन जो कैपिटल है, और मेरे साथ यहाँ पे केंट वोंग भाई है। ये कैम्बोडिया माय सेकंड होम प्रोग्राम के डायरेक्टर है। वेलकम केंट वोंग टू माय वीडियो।
Thank you.
And you are taking me to lunch, right?
Yes.
So I will be happy to ask you a few questions about life in Cambodia, the food and different things.
Okay.
So I will want you some time.
You're most welcome. Ask whatever you want.
Okay, let's go. And हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी इनके साथ फूड एंजॉय करने। ये मेन ऑफिस है अपना कैम्बोडिया माय सेकंड होम का। तो ये है गाड़ी, और आज मेरा पहला दिन है बेसिकली। तो इनके साथ इंशाल्लाह जाएंगे, अभी फूड भी दिखाते हैं और केंट वोंग भाई से सवाल भी करते हैं। तो भाई माशाल्लाह से बहुत लग्जरी गाड़ी है और लग्जरी प्रोटोकॉल दे रहे हैं। So Mr. Kent Wong,
Yes.
you are basically from Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how long have you been here?
Since 2018. Yeah, maybe already 5 years.
Okay, wow. So what is the difference between Cambodia and Hong Kong?
The main difference is, of course, you guys know Hong Kong is the well-developed, well-known places in the world. Financial center of the whole Asia. In here, Phnom Penh, Cambodia, of course, quite different than Hong Kong. Not yet well developed, but it's a developing country. We can see all the potential working here, and that's why so many people from outside, they're willing to come to Cambodia to even visiting, investing, doing business, stuff like that. Yeah.
And one of that program is the Cambodia My Second Home program, right?
Yes.
So how is it going, the Cambodia My Second Home program?
This is kind of a new program proposed by the Ministry of Interior in Cambodia. It's very new, starting from last year, July 22nd, official launch date. Since last year, already over 400 and something cases processing, including some already issued the golden visa already. Yeah.
Nice. Tell me something about life here, you know.
Okay.
Like, it's been 1 year for you staying here in the capital of Cambodia. So what did you like, and what is life here as a foreigner like? Because you came from Hong Kong, it may be different here. So did you adjust it to life here, and what do you like here specifically? Like, if you can tell me a few things.
Okay, actually I can say that I so get used to the lifestyle here. I like it here. Even as a foreigner, I rather enjoy the life here more than Hong Kong.
Wow, amazing.
All the local people, Cambodians, so nice, so friendly. They seems like they always get the smile on the face.
Whether they're poor or they're rich, or anybody.
Yeah, they're friendly. Yeah,
wow,
that's
amazing.
the one thing that is really my impression. Is so friendly, and all others lifestyle thing. You can get whatever you want to eat, and it's a very good dishes here in Phnom Penh. Whatever you want to eat, you can find it here. Yeah.
Amazing.
And it's very affordable price.
Affordable price. What about the expenses here? Like Cambodia, like many people think it is the cheapest country, right? So what do you think about it? Because I have seen in Malaysia pricing are rising, inflation is very high. Even Indonesia, even Thailand is not cheap anymore. I have just been to Thailand, and I am coming from there. What would you say about Cambodia?
Frankly speaking, is the expense here in Phnom Penh really amazed me. Amazing.
Okay.
I didn't think will be that high if you compare with Malaysia, Thailand or Vietnam. Here is more expensive.
Here is more expensive.
Yes.
Okay.
Even you get some lunch, dinner, maybe around $5 to $8 a lunch.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes over 10. For the dinner, maybe $15-20 per head. Yeah, kind of decent restaurant. Of course, it's not that most high-end one. Okay. One time I tried the Japanese restaurant, the omakase. It cost around 300 something per head.
Dollar. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. It reminds me London. When I had just chicken or something in a Dizzy restaurant for £100.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Yes, so it's like when you want to get a Burger King meal here, like the Whopper Junior or the Whopper meal, around $5 something. $5.25, 5 something.
So it depends on the person.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's possible.
around that. But also for some local food, you can even get a cheaper price, maybe $2-3. Yeah, you can get a meal.
But I think Cambodia is developing like very rapidly, you know.
Yes.
I can see because in 2018 when I visited first time, many things were like developing and construction was going on. But right now, I can see many things have already developed here.
Yeah, most of the building
high rises
during those period 2018-19, okay, they're starting the project, but right now, okay, already finished.
Okay.
Yeah, even during the pandemic, okay, the processing time slowed down a bit, but it's not completely stopped. And then okay, a little bit more, right until now, okay, you can see so many high-rise buildings compared with 3-4 years ago.
Okay, what about facilities? Like, do you easily get what you want, like the transportation? Tell me about transportation. Tell me about the parks and other facilities like you need for every day and for a quality life.
Yes. For here, local people, they mainly by using their motorbike.
Okay, motorbike.
Because the traffic here is kind of heavy during the peak hours. Normal days they ride on the motorbike. Okay, but of course during weekend, their family they will drive. They have cars to drive to other provinces. Yeah, for the weekends or during holidays. But the public transport here in Phnom Penh is not that good. Yeah, not too many buses. You can barely see taxi, but local people use the online the car app.
Grab application. Grab.
Yeah, also use Grab.
I used it and I like it because you see mostly there's tuk-tuk and rickshaw, and which is quite cheap. Because I had a ride from my hotel on the riverside to CM2H office for just $1.50.
Yeah, around that price, around 152 something. Yeah,
which is quite amazing. I think it's in terms of transportation, it's very cheap.
Because the most area we travel in Phnom Penh, more like 30 minutes within that time frame. Yeah, around 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, more questions I will ask in the restaurant.
Yeah, sure.
दोस्तों ये भाई रेस्टोरेंट लेकर आया है द पिज़्ज़ा कंपनी और बाकी भी फास्ट फूड ब्रांड्स हैं. दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ फूड कोर्ट, राइट?
Yes. It's 4-story high. And you can have a different restaurant and even get a little sky bar up there.
Okay. I was sitting in that Starbucks in the morning.
These are the brands. Ground floor, level 1, we are in level 1.
We are going to rooftop, right?
No, we are going to this
level
one.
2. Okay.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, okay. हम लोग पिज़्ज़ा खाने जा रहे हैं भाई केंग वोंग भाई के साथ. भाई ये रेस्टोरेंट जो है सेकंड फ्लोर पे बना हुआ है और यहाँ से कितना ज़बरदस्त व्यू है ये रिवर साइड का. यहाँ पनोम पेन कैम्बोडिया में सामने झंडे लगे हुए हैं तो गाड़ियाँ रवां दवा है और ये सेटिंग देख लो, बहुत ज़बरदस्त है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त। तो मिस्टर केंट वोंग भाई यहाँ लेकर आया है, कह रहे स्पेगेटी खाएंगे और पिज़्ज़ा वगैरह खाएंगे। ये व्यूज़ देख लो यहाँ से, क्या नज़ारे हैं और क्या मौसम है। और ये है जी रेस्टोरेंट। हमने अभी ऑर्डर दिया है तो ऑर्डर आने वाला है और केंट वोंग भाई भी वेट कर रहे हैं फूड का। हेलो, this is cheese, right?
Yes, burrata cheese made by here.
And the other is fruit.
Okay, made by 3 lit in one burrata cheese.
Okay, thank you so much. ये भाई स्टार्टर्स मंगाए हैं, सैल्मन फिश और फ्रूट के साथ चीज़। तो उसको ट्राई करते हैं। बाकी मेन डिशेस अभी आ रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद पूछते हैं केंट वोंग भाई से कि उनका क्या तबसरा है इस बारे में। ओह, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ये है भाई ने नूडल्स मंगाए हैं और ये एक हमने वो मंगाया है पास्ता। ओके, दिस इज़ पास्ता और ये जो है वो है, और साथ में ये। टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट फूड।
Okay.
You are from Hong Kong.
Yes.
What you usually eat in Hong Kong, and what you are now eating here, or what do you like? Like what kind of food is available in Cambodia?
Okay. So I would say that all kinds of food you can find in here, no problem, and
Okay.
delicious. Usually when we Hong Kong people normal days is the Chinese style, of course. But here, and of course for me, I'm not just into the Chinese dishes. I can accept all kind of food, even the Khmer local food, like this, the Italian food, Japanese food, all kind. I enjoy all the food here you can find in Phnom Penh. No worry for food.
Okay, food is like anything you want.
Yeah.
It is available here.
Yeah.
Even I found like so many Indian restaurants
Yes.
here, and Pakistanis and Bangladeshis, and they are opening like more about like the international brands that are available here.
Yes.
KFC you can find,
Yes.
the Starbucks coffee you can find,
Yeah. Krispy
and-
Kreme.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. KFC, of course.
Mhm.
And also, in the past years, there are over 20 something 7-Eleven.
Oh,
Brand new
7-Eleven,
open.
brand
7-Eleven,
new
yeah. Starting
opening.
from last year.
ये ग्रोसरी स्टोर है 7-Eleven. It is mostly in Thailand and a very good number.
Yeah.
But here also opening again and again. So there will not be any problem for food and groceries.
No worries.
So it's time for us to do the lunch and we will talk to you later. जी दोस्तों, खाना हो गया है और बहुत मज़ा आया है केंट वोंग भाई के साथ। तो आई होप कि आपको भी ये छोटा सा व्लॉग पसंद आ गया होगा। हम लोग अभी भी घूम रहे हैं मार्केट्स वगैरह में और जाएंगे, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स भी विज़िट करेंगे। ये यहाँ पे काम करते हैं कैम्बोडिया माय सेकंड होम प्रोग्राम के साथ, और ये देख सकते हो कितनी ज़बरदस्त गाड़ी इन्होंने हमें प्रोवाइड की है घुमाने के लिए। तो बहुत अच्छा वेलकम किया है इन्होंने। And thank you very much, Kent Wong,
You're welcome.
brother,
You're welcome.
for the time and for the lunch. It was really, I liked the food,
My pleasure.
and I hope we can show more and more places to our viewers
Yes.
in Cambodia, because you liked Cambodia, right?
Yes.
A
I
lot
love
of things.
Cambodia. Yeah.
And same for me, like I also like a place where when you spend money, so you get the best in return.
Yes.
And this is what you told me about Cambodia as well.
Yes. It's worth it.
Okay, and what is your final message for my viewers in Pakistan and India?
Well, I would say that welcome all you guys to come into Phnom Penh, come to Cambodia to explore that. Yeah, of course I will share what I've been seeing here, but I really love all you guys can really feel that by yourself. Yeah, in a good way.
in a good way.
Yeah.
So your 1 year experience is good here, right?
Yeah. So positive.
So positive.
Yeah.
And would you like to live here for longer or for life?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
For sure. It's just like Cambodia my second home.
Cambodia. Like you work in Cambodia, my second home, and you feel like it is really your second home.
Yes, I feel like that.
Thank you so much.